Welcome to the CCI Linear Restoration Visualization, a tour of the Richardson Caribou Range. The restoration area is in northeastern Alberta, approximately 140 kilometers north of Fort McMurray, within the Richardson Caribou Range. The government, along with industry partners, have undertaken projects to restore seismic lines back to their natural state, with a key focus on the woodland caribou. The first location on our tour is a lowland habitat with fen-like characteristics. Fens are rich peatlands that primarily receive water from the ground. Species such as black spruce, tamarack, grasses, and wildflowers are good indicators of the fen's overall health. At this location, the restoration involved planting black spruce and tamarack in 2021. In 10 years, the planted seedlings will grow 1 to 3 meters tall, providing multiple benefits to caribou and other wildlife, including reducing the line of sight, thus allowing species to remain hidden from predators like wolves. 100 years later, the seismic line will be indistinguishable as the planted seedlings reach maturity and support an understory of young regenerating trees. The next site is located within a well-drained, nutrient-rich upland habitat. This site supports indicator species such as white spruce, aspen, Labrador tea, and blueberries. At this location, white spruce seedlings were planted in 2021, and by year 10, the seedlings will be 3 to 5 meters tall, successfully blocking the line of sight. The height and density of the regenerating trees will also discourage travel up and down the seismic lines by ATVs. By year 100, the cut line will disappear, and the site will have the ecological benefits of an old-growth forest for a diverse number of forest species. Our third site on the tour is a classic boreal lowland dominated by tamarack. Tamarack is a slow-growing tree that occur in very distinct boreal ecosites, making it a good indicator of ecosystem health and function. If groundwater flow is disturbed or altered, they will show signs of stress or even die and give way to other species. Restoration treatments focused on planting tamarack at high densities to reforest the line back to its original condition. By year 100, the line is fully restored to a beautiful tamarack forest for caribou, birds, and other animals to enjoy. The fourth site along our tour has all the characteristics associated with a classic bog. Bogs in the boreal forest occur where water is stagnant, acidic, and close to the surface. Typical indicator species include black spruce, mosses, and other water-tolerant plants. The restoration involved planting a high density of black spruce, as it is one of the best boreal tree species for cold and wet areas. Their branches provide thermal cover for wildlife such as moose and caribou, and their seeds and needles are a great food source for birds and squirrels. Our final site of the tour is located within an old forest fire area that was burned in 1981 and again in 2021. Jack pine and black spruce were carefully prescribed to re-establish species that were on the site prior to the fires. These species thrive in areas impacted by wildfires, allowing it to be one of the first species to regenerate the site. These high-density stands provide important cover for caribou from predators, and the tender young shoots of jack pine will provide forage for deer, moose, and rabbits. This concludes our tour of the Richardson Caribou Range Restoration Project. The efforts of this project and others in the region will help make sure keystone species like caribou are around for generations to come. If you'd like to learn more about CCI and what services we can offer, please visit our website using the following link: Environmental Services, CCI Inc., ccisolutions.ca, or scan the QR code on the screen. We love answering questions and listening to feedback about our projects and services. The Provincial Court of Alberta funded this project from an Environmental Protection and Enhancement Act infraction. A special thanks to Alberta Energy Regulator for overseeing the project, and to O2 Planning and Design for helping to develop this video tour. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.